So if you missed Tampa, Pierce Brown out front leading the main looked like it was going to be a very good night for him, and sadly a crash happened. Now coming from his own Instagram, we have a little update from him saying, quote, "Damn, what a night. I felt really good all night leading my heat and main. Halfway through the main, I crashed in the whoops. Unfortunately, I broke my T5 vertebrae. I had surgery today to get it fixed so that I could get back to racing. I want to thank all my family, friends, and Star Racing Yamaha for all the support. I will keep you guys updated on my recovery." Now, it's not a great thing, and if it's already been fixed, I guess he's already on the mend or on the healing side, which is probably good. I mean, it could have been way worse. And you can see that picture right there. I mean, he went head first, head down into the next, face of the whoop, and could have been hit by the bike, could have been hit by somebody else. So while it's not a great injury and it doesn't sound like he'll be back anytime soon, it's at least not the worst thing. I mean, there could have been a lot more breaks, a lot worse, or you know, who knows. But it's really good to see that he's at least already had surgery. He's already on the mend, already healing, and time frame probably we won't see him for the rest of Supercross. That would be my guess. Back injury, spinal injury, you're never going to want to rush something like that. But who knows? But as we see that, I'm going to leave it to you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Did you like Tampa? Did you like the sand sections? Did you hate the lappers? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think while you're down there. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.